Hey everyone, so I'm gonna be honest with you right from the start. I wasn't planning on making this video, but I keep getting messages from people asking about cloud mining, and most of them are about to get scammed, like I can tell from the platforms they're asking about. And it's frustrating because I went through the same thing years ago, lost funds, made stupid mistakes, so I figured I'd just show you what I actually use now and how to avoid the garbage that's out there. So I've been using this app for about 24 weeks at this point, and it's literally the only platform I trust enough to use repeatedly. That's really all there is to it.
Okay, so let me walk through this so you see everything. So I'm clicking start mining and I'm going with Tron here, though the platform actually handles mining for basically every major cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, all the top options, okay? Hitting continue now, perfect. So here I need to add my wallet address. So switching to my wallet, copying address back to the platform and pasting it right here. Great. Now I'm adjusting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these controls determine how much processing power gets dedicated to operation and how fast it runs. But here's the thing, this directly impacts your costs. So if I push these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the fees increase accordingly. So this looks good for me. Okay, next I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I'm targeting, the dollar equivalent, and the projected time frame. Okay, so now I'm launching the mining operation and it's running. I can see all the data here, total time, power allocated, efficiency percentages. So let's give this some time. And there it is, nice. I've mined TRX tokens, so now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important thing here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee covered before processing any withdrawal. Everything's itemized right here. So here's the energy consumption, server clusters that handled it, network transaction costs, so factor that in. Okay, I'm copying this address, give me a moment. Back to ArcMine, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. All right, so now while we're waiting, let me tell you about probably the worst financial decision I made in crypto, because this story might save you from doing something equally stupid. This happened about 17 months ago. I was on Twitter scrolling through crypto threads and I kept seeing people talking about this platform that supposedly had AI optimized mining algorithms and was backed by venture capital. The website was called something like Smart Mine AI or Hash Genius. Honestly, the name's fuzzy now. What got me was the engagement, like hundreds of people in the comment section all saying they were making consistent profits, showing screenshots of withdrawals, vouching for it. Didn't occur to me at the time that those were all bot accounts and paid shills. The website looked incredibly professional. So here's what I tell you based on getting burned. First, social proof on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram means nothing. It's all fakeable and usually is. The only test that matters is your own money withdrawing successfully. Second, start with the absolute minimum, like $250 to $350, and immediately try withdrawing $8 to $10. If that doesn't work perfectly, you know everything you need to know. Third, platforms that process small withdrawals smoothly, then create problems with larger ones, aren't having technical issues. They're running a scam. The small withdrawal is bait. Fourth, screenshot everything constantly. Every dashboard, every support message, every fee page. Fifth, even with platforms that seem legit, stay skeptical. Keep testing, keep verifying, keep checking independent reviews, because the moment you relax is when you're vulnerable. So yeah, links in the pinned comments and description, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Peace.